Hi, thanks for being in a new video. This time I'm going to share with you my top 5 best buys for the low end. Let's get started. Remember that, to assign the range, I only based on its price. So, it is likely that some of these devices are considered mid-range by some, and that's okay. It's all good. It is simply to categorize the price. Let's get started. Poco M5. This device was introduced last year, but as of today, it is still a very good buy because its price has dropped considerably. You can find it in some stores around 1,900 Mexican pesos. On the screen, you see the reference price in dollars just to give you an idea. It has a Helio G99 processor, which for this price is one of the best you are going to find. Full HD Plus screen with Gorilla Glass. 90 Hz is its refresh rate. 5,000 mAh battery, 50 megapixel camera. So the truth is that you could demand little from it. In fact, at this price there is nothing better, I believe. Redmi Note 12. It is currently around 2,800 Mexican pesos. This device has a 6.67-inch AMOLED screen, as always in Xiaomi, with 120 Hz in its refresh rate. Snapdragon processor 680. 50 megapixel main camera. Battery of 5,000 milliamps with fast charging of 33 watts. The truth is that at this price, I liked it quite a bit. These devices I just mentioned are distributed in the gray market. That currently should not have any difficulty, but just so you know, if you buy these devices in those stores, you will not have a direct warranty with the manufacturer in Mexico. You would have to claim the warranty with the store where you bought it. But the next one does have official distribution. It is the Poco M5s, which is currently around 2,900 Mexican pesos. This device also has an AMOLED screen, in this case of 6.43 inches. In addition, it has 6 GB of RAM, Helio G95 processor, 128 GB of storage, 64 megapixel camera. It also brings 8 megapixel ultra-wide camera, 5,000 mAh battery, 33 watt charge, and it does have stereo sound. ZTE Axon 50 Lite. I know that for many the fact that ZTE appears in the top of best devices for its price is quite surprising. But I was surprised too. This device has 256 gigabytes of storage. It is currently around 2,999 Mexican pesos. In addition, there are several colors to choose from. The processor is not the most powerful thing because here they give much more priority to storage. However, it will be considerably good for the vast majority of users in normal applications. And finally, Galaxy M14 5G, which is currently around 2,900 Mexican pesos. And this as part of the official market distribution, not the gray market. This device has 6.6 inches screen with 90 Hz. But the most attractive thing is its 6,000 mAh battery, which is going to be very difficult for you to find in another device of this price. It also has a good 8-core processor. It's not the most advanced, but I think it's going to perform well. It also has a 50 megapixel camera, so for the price, I think it's attractive as well. This was my selection of low-end devices, considering a top of up to 3,000 Mexican pesos. Remember that I will also have tops of different prices, so I invite you to check them out. I leave links in the description in case you want to buy it in any of the stores that I found more or less attractive prices. Or if not, feel free to look in other stores. It would also help me a lot if you put in the comments any other proposal that you have seen that still does not exceed 3,000 Mexican pesos so that you can share it with other users who want to buy a device of this price. For the moment, we have reached the end of this video. If you liked it, you know you can let us know, and we'll see you next time.